Alright, so I've got my GradeCam answer sheet already filled out. So now what I'm going to do is use this to create the answer keys for my students. Now this will depend on what version you have, but at our school, ours is already preset. It's loaded with all of our classes and our students' names. So we're going to go ahead and click on Forms. And I'm going to get this answer key it's going to generate a PDF. Now you can print a generic one for your class, but because ours has all of our classes preloaded, I'm going to go ahead and select my 4th period class, and it's going to preload this key also with all of the students' names on it. So I just go ahead and click generate, and it's going to give me a PDF. And it's going to have all of my students for this class, all 20 or so students on there. So we can go ahead and move my recording here. Go ahead and hit print. And then I will just go back into GradeCam, and then I can just generate all of these for my different classes. Not sure if it will just do all, but it's my period 6 class. So it says, oh, and I can do it individually if I need to. That's pretty cool. Generate PDF, download. If you wanted to save these, you could save them too, but they're pretty easy to generate, so I probably wouldn't take the time to save those. Plus, you can't really use them again. And then finally, my period 8 class. And of course, this one looks like it's going to take some time. There we go. And again, with the previous videos, you can change this to make it whatever you need to make it, however many questions, however many answers. You can switch it to, allowing multiple answers and things like that. All right, but that was just quick. How do we get from we've made a answer key? How do we get those answer keys to our students' hands? In our next video, we'll talk about how do we grade these. All right, till next time. Allard out.